Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to create a Repl in Replit. So let's quickly dive into it. So for you to be able to create a Repl in Replit, you have to visit the replit.com on your browser or log in into your account using your account credentials. Then on your dashboard you have to click the plus icon to create or new Repl button. Then from there you have to pick your programming language you want to use, like Python, JavaScript or HTML. Then type in name for your project. Type in name for your project or keep the one Replit gives you automatically. Next thing to do is to choose if your Replit should be public or you want it to be private. After that, Replit will open a new coding page where you can start writing your code, and also you can click the run button to test your code and Replit save your work automatically. And that's how you can easily create a Repl in Replit. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.